Hello everyone, my name is Anderson Perez. This is my activity about testing and evaluation. For this part, I have to record in a video about my experience in my practice. Okay, I think that my practice I did very well. I have had an institution. I finished my practice very well. I don't have any problems with my practice in all this time. Well, okay, in all this time, what I can say about that? I would like to say you about a class in particular. In this class, I make a lot of problems because the tools that I did don't work in this time. My PowerPoint don't work in my activity. I was to change all activity, and this is a difficult moment. I have to say too that I had never teach at the school. This is my first experience as a teacher because I working as a security guard, and I never would practice my knowledge. I teach with 30 children in class, and that was very difficult, and in the same time I learned a lot of things because I have to change my class. I have to improve my vocabulary because my English is not very well. I have to improve my vocabulary. That is very important because if you want to teach English, you have to have a good level of English, no? And in some occasions, some words I didn't know what is the mean, and in all this way, in my personal reflection, I have to improve a lot of things because it's very important for my career. How I would say it in this moment. It's very difficult that you teach in the real form. In the other way, I make my activities. I think that I afford a lot for my activities. I am very happy with my result in all this time. I know that I have to improve a lot of things. It's true, but this is a long process, and I am in this way, no? Well, I have finished my video for this part. I talk about my experience in my practice process. I talk about the wrong class that I made, that I had, sorry. But in the same time, I learned a lot of things because this is a good opportunity for reflection and improve about your wrongs. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you later.